It's early morning on December 22nd, 2023. We are about to go out into the patio area of Lot 143 to inspect the unapproved modifications made by the HOA to the precise grading plan, which is causing flood risks to the homes on lots 143 and 144. What the HOA did was pile gravel up against the north side of the lot that's preventing storm runoff from flowing out underneath the patio fence into the alley, into the swale, which then drains into the street. As we can see in this video, which was filmed at 6 in the morning, it's pre-dawn, you can see that water has accumulated along the foundation of the home on lot 144 to the point where it's actually above the weep screed. That trench along the foundation of that home is at least 4 inches deep. On the other side, this is lot one, the home on lot 143, and you can see that the water has accumulated almost to the top of the weep screed. It's about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch below. Fortunately, the house didn't get flooded. What we are doing is trying to document this issue that was created when the HOA made these unpermitted modifications to the approved precise grading plan, which is now placing these homes at severe risk of flooding. We're asking the HOA to immediately fix this defective construction project, the modifications that they made, so we can prevent any further damage. I'll leave it with this screenshot of the precise grading plan that was approved by the city for lots 143 and 144. Again, the north side of the lot is to the left, the south side of the lot is to the right. East is at the top, west is at the bottom, and again you can see how, if you can read these maps, that the drainage should be flowing out past that fence into the alley. Thanks a lot for watching. Reach out with any questions you might have. Thanks for the support.